of a tricky viewpoint here, huh? Bottles of piss. 99% chance these were truck drivers and emptied their piss here. Hades. Guess what that is? That's piss. Piss bottle, piss bottle, piss bottle. More pee. If you do this, you are a fucking dick. Okay, so if you leave bottles of piss around, you are a complete and utter fucking loser. People have to pick that up, man. Why do people want to pick up your piss? It's fucking gross. Could they just pick it up and throw it in the trash? Yeah, but you know, it's a lot of fucking weight, all those bottles of piss, so they have to open them, pour them out. They probably get piss on their hands pouring out your piss. It's fucking rude, and it's animalistic to just throw your trash everywhere. Look. There's a bag of trash right there. It's there because I forgot to throw it away at the last truck stop, so I'm going to throw it away at this truck stop. Sometimes you forget. Sometimes the trash is full. You don't just fucking throw it out, man. And especially your piss. It's fucking gross. Why would you do that? Why? Why should other people have to clean up your piss? It's fucking gross. Stop doing it. It's unprofessional. It makes the rest of us look bad, too. Stop fucking doing it. I can't, I mean, your mother must be a complete dumb fucking whore to raise you to just think it's okay to do that. It's not okay to do that. Stop fucking doing it. Look, I piss in bottles and I don't leave it around for other people to pick up. I will empty the bottles before I throw them away, and I'll use the bottles for a couple weeks. Right now I got 3 Gatorade bottles in my truck. I use them to piss in. You can't always find a place to piss, so that's fine. It's okay to do that. When you're done, empty them out and throw them in the trash or recycle them. Do whatever the hell you want with them. Don't leave trash around either. It's just, that's why people disallow truck drivers, because of assholes like you doing that shit. It's fucking rude. Also, don't piss on the asphalt or the concrete. Unless it's raining, then it's okay. The rain will wash it away. Especially in like Arizona, Southern California, these truck stops that stink like piss because assholes go out there, empty their piss bottles, or they just piss, right? Right behind the truck there, between the truck and the trailer, there's a nice little area to piss. Only do that in the dirt or if it's raining. Don't. I mean, it stinks like hell, especially in the heat, right? And the liquid part melts, and there's a film left over that other people have to smell your piss. They have to walk through it. It's fucking gross. Stop doing it. Fucking loser. See, there's a dirt area over there. I'm going to empty piss bottles over there. because I'm not going to empty them here where they're going to stink up the place, right? The dirt absorbs it much better. So piss in the dirt, empty your piss bottles in the dirt. It's okay if it's raining, right? Like if you're in the winter in Oregon or Washington along the 5, you could probably almost piss anywhere because it's always raining up there. But come on, man. In areas it doesn't rain that much, it stinks. It fucking stinks, and people have to walk through your piss film. Stop doing that. That guy just let his dog shit and he didn't clean up the dog shit. Like a fucking douchebag tub of fucking shit.